Hey guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we'd really appreciate it if you do. Today we're going to take a look at the NavePoint 42U open frame 4-post rack. After getting everything unboxed, I organized it and took an inventory of parts. There are a ton of nuts and bolts, and that's the biggest complaint about assembling this rack. One end got damaged during shipping, but once everything was tightened down, it was structurally fine, though some of the paint had flaked off. The inner part of one of the rails was also damaged, but I'll only be using the outside cage nuts. I'm really happy with how this rack turned out overall. You can see I've got the accessible equipment on the front. The monitor's mounted with a StarTech 4U Universal Visa LCD monitor mounting bracket with the Vivo computer keyboard and mouse platform tray. There's a NavePoint fixed rack vintage shelf with adjustable depth, and then our CyberPower UPS on the bottom. Our network equipment is on the back. It's mostly Ubiquiti, and there's still a little cable management to do. There's a Raccess UNS1 vented tray universal shelf with the cable modem on it. The casters work really well on this rack, and it is very easy to move. You can lock the front casters as well to keep it in place. I'm really happy with how this all turned out, and I think that it's well worth the money. Unfortunately, it was not double boxed, so there was a little bit of damage during shipping, but it turned out fine once I assembled it. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and if there's anything that you want to add that I didn't include, please put that in the comments as well. I'm always glad to learn something new. Thanks.